is one of the upcoming fields with visualization and spatial analysis of data, as we know. So any data, be it a private firm, so let's say Walmart as a company is trying to establish in India. Now Walmart wants to understand which would be the possible areas where they can have a good market capture. So in that case, GIS plays an important role. So similarly, many of the companies, the private companies who are landing into India or who want an expansion, who want the right choice of the customers, would invest in R&D, and this R&D or research and development works well with GIS as one of the technologies. So after your masters in geography, if you have done courses in GIS, or after your graduation in geography, if you have done your GIS courses, then definitely you have options where you can go for spatial modeling, mapping, data analysis. Now, which all firms you can get potential jobs? Definitely the basic firms which are involved with GIS. So Roltag, GIS, EDAS as some of the companies. But besides that as well, there are consultancy companies who actually help private firms grow, develop, get a right market capture, get the potential clients, potential customers. So in that case, they do hire consultants with sound knowledge of spatial analysis. So if you have some basic soft skill along with the software skill, that means teamwork, problem solving, communication as some of the skills, you definitely have a upper edge in the options with GIS is one of the technologies. In another class, we have discussed some of the top institutes in India and abroad for doing your GIS courses. So don't miss that lecture. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.